Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 886 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my recent Ulta haul. This is the Essence Stay 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I'm really excited about the products that I got in my Ulta haul recently. So if you haven't seen that haul video, I'll have that linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products I picked up. So I got this in the shade Mad About You, and I really like the brand Essence and I love long-lasting liquid lipsticks, so I'm really excited about this. It costs only $4.99 at Ulta and it comes in a bunch of beautiful shades. So why don't I start out by swatching. Ooh, and I like the applicator on this. It's like a rounded, angled applicator. Here is what that looks like. Give it a swatch. Ooh, that is pigmented and a really pretty kind of mauve red shade. That was a really bad way of describing it, but it's a very muted red in my opinion. I get a slight sweet smell to this. It kind of smells like vanilla, but it's very faint. But it smells nice. All right, I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on me. Oh my gosh, I am just amazed by how fully pigmented and opaque this is with just one swipe. Ooh, this is such an impressive formula. You can get very crisp edges with no feathering, such full opaque color, and then it dries down relatively quickly to this matte finish, but it is such a comfortable, smooth matte. I'm kind of surprised that this is the shade that I chose because now that I see it on me, it's not my best color. It's not super flattering. It's also not very summertime. It's like a nice fall color. When there were so many other bright colors, I don't really know why I ended up choosing this one. It's still pretty, but I feel like it would look better on other complexions. But this formula is very impressive because I have dry, chapped lips, but it's not clinging to any of the dry patches. It looks super smooth and even, and I can already tell this is not gonna budge. Yeah, absolutely no transfer. That's amazing. I remember when I first got into makeup, and even when I first started making these videos, I didn't realize that there were lipsticks out there that would actually stay on all day long. They wouldn't come off when eating and drinking. I just kind of thought that if you're going to wear lipstick, it's going to be annoying and you're going to have to touch it up. It's going to get all over any cups that you touch or anything like that. But that is not the case. And this is a perfect example of a lipstick that will stay on. It's not going to make a mess and it's so affordable. $4.99 for a lipstick that is going to last all day long, but it looks good on the lips. It's not dry, it's not at all uncomfortable, there's no stickiness to it. So I think this is an amazing formula. I want to get this in other colors because this is the type of liquid lipstick formula that I want to wear every day because I really don't like the hassle of having to touch up my lipstick. So if you are looking for that liquid lipstick that will stay put all day, I recommend trying this one out. If I was over the moon about this shade on me, I would think this is my perfect, best lipstick ever, but because I'm not super excited about the shade, it makes me not love this as much as I possibly would. But if I'm just, imagining this in a different shade, it would seriously be the perfect lipstick for me. Let me know in the comments down below what your perfect lipsticks for you are, if you've found them. I mean, I'm always on the search for new ones, but if you have any recommendations of lipsticks that are just your go-to, you absolutely love, I would love to know what those are in the comments down below. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.